what's going on here and why that happened, and I've got the two pieces welded together now. I just came in from the shop and stuck it in the vise here, and we're gonna see how true this is. So a couple things wrong with this is obviously the shear point here, or what Diebold calls the ring joint. Had snapped in this section here, so I put the two pieces and welded it back together. We'll turn that and then reinstall the ring joint. The second problem with this job was, why did this ring joint break in the first place? This vault door has a clutch mechanism built in the handle. And where is that handle? Okay. This is the clutch hub, referred to as the clutch hub, and this is what the spoke handle attaches to. I'm not sure why this was drilled off center like that. It does look factory done though when you look down through here. Maybe it was the collar was welded off center. I'm not sure. But originally when I pulled this off, it came off in two pieces here. This whole section was down here, off center. And you can see from the hole because it's off center here. And then obviously this was snapped here. So I had two pieces. This whole section here was one piece, and then this section here was the other piece that we pulled out from the door after. I originally thought that someone had done something to this because of this off-centered part. I thought it was maybe threaded in here with a stud, and then this piece was threaded back onto the back piece, because this spindle is mounted from the back of the door, and it would slide in this way from the back. I'm not sure how they got this on, so I thought it was threaded, but maybe that is factory. Anyway, this hub clutch is supposed to spin independent from the spindle, and it doesn't. I had to press that out, and man, was that galled as one piece together. I didn't think I was going to get it apart. Let's go ahead and start this up, and let's see how true my weld job is. Wow, that's not bad. Very little run out on that. So that'll be great. So we'll go ahead and turn this, and maybe we'll take a few thousandths off of this and smooth it out so it spins properly in the hub clutch, and we'll go back to the bank and install this job done.